Hello guys, welcome back again. This is Suresh from SDET Automation channel. Today in this session we will discuss about how to handle multiple windows in Selenium Python. So let's get started. So before we get started, we need to know which website that provides a multiple window. So I'm taking one of the example of W3C schools. So in this website, or this is an example website, in any website, if you are clicking on any of the link, if the link opens in a new window, our driver control will not go into the new window. It will always stay into the current active window. So here, if I go here and click on this get certified, so it is opening in a new tab, right? So here there is a two tabs, so two tabs has a two different IDs, so we have to switch between these two IDs. So for that I will show you a simple technique in the Python Selenium which will help you to navigate in this two tabs. Okay, let's get started and go to my PyCharm. So we have to first import Selenium, import WebDriver. Right now we have to provide an instance which can help me to invoke my browser, right? WebDriver driver dot Chrome driver. Soon after that, the next line goes to my driver dot timeout. So I wanted to do a implicit wait conditions. So for that, I will provide a time equals to of 5 seconds. Then after that, I will tell my browser to maximize, right? And next line we have to provide driver dot get. So using this get method I will provide the URL of my website. So this is a URL, right? Soon after getting a URL we have to go to a element. For that, driver dot find element. So here by we have to import dot xpath, and this is the method that we have to use, and this by we have to import from the commons, right? So here we have to provide XPath. So you have to know whether we are giving an XPath or ID or a link text or anything that we will see here. So go to again Chrome and you have to inspect it. So I will inspect that. Okay. So it is an anchor tag and the label is called get certified. So we will take that get certified text. Okay. This text I wanted to take and I will go back to my PyCharm and here I will provide that name. Okay, there are spaces, I will remove it. And also this is not an XPath, so I will remove this XPath dot link text, right? Soon after that, what we need to do, we need to perform click action. For that, I will select the click method, right? After that, it will open in a new tab, right? Now, from here, we have to write a correct handle code, I mean window handle code. So for that, I will take a variable called handles. So this is just to store the, so this will get all the current handle, I mean whatever the window handle that opens, it will capture all those IDs and capture, store them into the handles variable. Now I wanted to iterate it, so I will say for I in range. So range, what is range? Here range is called as handles, and whatever the range that we have in the handles, that will be iterated using this for loop. So for that again I will use driver dot switch to element dot I. So I is here, which is iterating the handles. If handles contains a 5, so each one time it will handle take that ID and then after it provides to the driver dot switch window. So automatically using that command it will switch to a new window or new tab, right? Soon after that I will call the print statement to print print handle or print driver dot title of the page, right? So this is what I wanted to expect, and soon after that driver dot quit, right? So this is simple technique, right? So no need to worry about big logic. So in Python, it is very easy. It is just two lines of code that you need to remember. That is handles, which is equal to driver dot window handles. Then you have to iterate using the for loop, and then after driver dot switch to a window. So this is a simple code that you will help. I mean that it helps to handle the windows. So currently I'm running this code. Right, it has opened two tabs. Right, it has switched to this two tab, second tab, and it is taken the title of that page, which is called as certification codes catalog. Right, so this is the simplest example that you can handle the windows using the simple technique. Hope this session is helpful for you. In case if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. In case if you have any questions, queries, you can post in my comment section. I will help you out. Thank you for watching.